the 2014 Toyota Sienna. This 8-passenger van stands out among competitors in its class. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.